Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day, Complement, for Week 3, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Complement has 3 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the first syllable, com. So we say complement. Say it with me. Complement. I don't hear you. Complement. All right. It is used as a verb. It also can be used as a noun, as you can see in the familial words. But for our example here and for our the sentence that you have to write, you need to use it as a verb. Okay? Quick note, you might want to write this down. Complement is, there's actually 2 words with this same pronunciation. We have complement with the E, which is the one we're going to go over today, and there's complement with an I. And this one, complement with the I, is when someone says something nice to somebody, they give a compliment. It also can be used as the verb. You can compliment somebody. So if someone comes in and they're looking especially nice, they dressed up nicely, you can compliment them on how attractive their outfit is. Or you can give them a compliment. That's compliment with an I. All right? That's different from compliment with an E. So when you make your sentence, you're going to need to make sure you're going to do it with the correct, with this correct word, the one with the E. And the thing is that there's a little bit of similarity because you can see the word attractive in the definition, and so some people think, oh, that's compliment with an I. But it's to add to something in a way that improves it or makes it more attractive. Okay? So it's an action where you're doing something in a way to make it better, to make it more attractive. Okay? But again, the key word is adding. Not changing, adding. Okay? So let's look at your sentence illustration. In your sentence illustration, we have a striking visual, and striking is another word for attractive, like very, very attractive. So that kind of almost strikes you, like, wow, look at that. So a striking visual can complement the core message of a speech. Okay? So again, here the definition of complement is to add, to improve, to make it better. Usually the implication is that they match. The visual will match the message and make it stronger. Okay? So here's a famous debate, presidential debate from the 1980s between 2 candidates. This was Al Gore, who lost in the election to George Bush. But there was another candidate, Ross Perot, an independent from Texas, and he was famous for bringing these visuals to debates, which a lot of people were surprised at because you don't usually see politicians bringing, almost like high school looking visuals, but because they were so different, they were striking and they complemented his message. Okay, complementing here, made it stronger, made it more attractive, improved on it. Okay. So we can say his visual was complementary. That was the adjective form. Okay. Or you can say that his visual was a complement to his core message, to his message. Okay. For our synonyms, you can think add to or complete. Complete is nice too. So kind of like when you're dressing yourself in the morning and you put on a shirt and a pants and then you're looking for a nice hat. What hat is going to go well with my outfit? What hat will complement my outfit? Okay. So that is your level 1 academic word. If you got this one wrong on your reassessment, be sure to make a new flashcard with a new original sentence and illustration and turn it in with your reassessment. Happy studying.